did the first to the lot gold, AI lot gold, exactly the 8th of July. It was the first trade what I was connected to the AI lot gold. The first day with the same amount of money. And now, exactly after 30 days, I can give the result. I can show you the balance. I can show you the withdraw. I did $10,436 withdraw already. I'm again in profit, but then of course there was 2, 3 negative days. For this reason, the balance now is a little bit lower because I withdraw 10,000. So I can say, including the 30%, the 70-30 split, 65 to 75% split to the network, I have still over $6,500 profit. That means over 20% profit in the last 30 days. And if we look today, it was an amazing day. Again, there was 3 trades. One $514 profit, $800 and $470. Totally today, $1,795 profit in one day. And this is extremely good. So what can I do now with the $1,800? I can go to the back office of TagMarkets. I can send the money from the MetaTrader 5 trading account to the internal wallet of TagMarkets. Click another button, withdraw to my external wallet. As you know, we can withdraw via a cryptocurrency, USDT, USDC, Solana, or I can make a bank wire. I am a crypto fan, so I do it in crypto. And regularly, in less than 10 minutes, we have our money, and it's nice to say our money, on our external wallet, whatever you use, Binance, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, whatever you use, and you have your funds, your profit, what you can withdraw every day, you can withdraw to your external wallet. And I'm so happy that we have a good working strategy now where really the people can with a minimum $300, please, ladies and gentlemen, to have it clear set, minimum 300 USDT deposit. You need to do. I personally recommend, because I was talking also with many traders, I personally recommend always a little bit more. And many traders said to me, Christian, if you put in 1,000 in your private wallet, so you don't need to send it to somebody else, you put it from your wallet to your wallet inside TagMarkets. If you have 1,000 working, then you have a very, very super stable and safe place. And with this strategy, seeing the last 30 days in my personal result, you can have also extremely, extremely good profits. Remember, trading is always trading. There is never a guarantee. We need to tell it always. So I was putting in what I can really put in, what I can, let's do it, let's say it like this, what I can even play with, and I put it in, and I have seen the results, and this motivates me a lot to send out to many other of my friends my personal referral link from the broker, because I want that everybody can participate in this amazing opportunity with this amazing strategy. Now it's time for our training. Let's start with the training. I give the word over now to our developer of the AI lot gold, Mr. Aaron. Thanks to be here. Thanks again, and thanks for the amazing results for today, and especially for the last 30 days. I remember we were talking the first time. You said to me, Aaron, Christian, because it was the first 2 days, it was negative. You remember? And I said, Aaron, what can I do? And you said to me, Christian, after 30 days, let's talk again. So today is exactly 30 days, the 8th of July. Now it's the 8th of August. Thanks a lot to be here. Thanks a lot to give to the community this amazing tool, AI Lot Gold, and the room is all yours. Thank you very much. One last thing, we have a question and answer button there. If you have questions, Aaron will not stop any 2 minutes to answer a question. Okay, please put all in. We make 5 minutes on the end, a question and answer. Thank you very much to everybody to be part of this training. Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you, Christian. Hello, guys. My name is Aaron. I'm the developer of the AI Lot Gold strategy. And in this call, I will explain you a little bit about my strategy, how it's working, how it's performing on different account sizes on the backtesting. So we will backtest the strategy back on the MetaTrader 5. And also to that, I will give you a little bit explanation to the strategy and show you, of course, track records, so real results from real money accounts, where you can see how the bot is really performing on real money accounts. And also, I will give you a little example of what you could expect if you deposit specific amount of money. Okay. So first of all, let me share my screen, guys. One second. For those who are asking questions in the chat right now, I will answer all the questions after I'm finished with the backtesting and showing all the results, okay? So give me a couple of minutes now to, first of all, I share my screen. You should see it now, right? You can see my screen. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we are on the MetaTrader 5 right now. We have the AI Lot Gold bot strategy chosen already. This is my bot.
Recording in progress.
My strategy, and we are using it, of course, on the gold chart, XAUUSD, as you can see, on the 15-minute time frame from April to August. So 4 months of backtest with TagMarkets settings. Because on TagMarkets, if you use your deposited money with a 24x account, that means we have drawdown rules. The drawdown rules, we don't want to go over the 5% drawdown limit at the 24x. And that's why we use a little bit lower lot size than usually. You will see everything right now, how the bot is working on this 24x accounts. Okay, so as you can see, we have a $100,000 account right here, 1 to 500 leverage, and the visual mode. And I will just start the bot now so you can see how the bot is performing on this 100K account in 4 months with my AI lot gold strategy. Okay, I'm gonna start now. I will make it a little bit slower so you can see. This will take a couple of minutes. In the meantime, I will explain you a little bit to the strategy. So my strategy is based on a breakout strategy that is based on Fibonacci levels. That means the limit orders gets set at specific Fibonacci levels. And when we have the limit orders, we need breakouts in one direction. Sorry, that means when the gold chart is trending in one direction, so that means if it goes impactly up or impactly down in one direction, if we have a clear trend, this is the best scenario for us, because when this will happen, we will get always a lot of take profits because we are trading breakouts. So that means if the gold chart is breaking out in one direction, we will get most likely a lot of take profits. Some new updates for this week. We are right now only taking 4 trades a day. That means some weeks ago we took like 6 to 8 trades a day. But in my opinion, that was a little bit too much because the volume is only in specific times the highest. That means from 10 a.m. to 17 p.m. German time, we are using the bot now. And in this specific time, we will take only 4 trades a day maximum. Okay? Because 10 a.m. German time to 17 p.m. German time is the most volume time for the gold chart, in my opinion. And that's why we will trade only this time anymore. Okay? And like I said, we will take only 4 trades a day. Yes, 4 trades a day. And another update we have from this week now is the trailing stop that will open at a specific amount of points. That means when we are already up like 1% in profit in our trade, that means like we are in profit 1,300 points, a trailing stop will open. That means for those who don't understand what is a trailing stop, I will explain now. A trailing stop is just like a stop loss, but it's behind your price after you are in the profit. That means when our position, when our trades moves into profit, we will get open a stop loss that will always follow us after in the profit. That means we will scale up our positions into the profit so we can scale even more profits, even from this profitable strategy already. You understand? So that means from the last weeks, we have already got this profitable strategy, but with a new trailing stop function, we will scale the positions up. That means for us, more profits than now in the upcoming time. So more profits than we already have. You understand? And as you can see right now, we have this backtesting. We are right now in the July. We have already 4% in profit. So 1 month left to finish this backtest, and then we will see how much profits we will have in the 4 month of backtest. Like I said, by the way, this backtesting results right here is specific for the 24x accounts where you have the 5% drawdown rules. That means when you deposit money on TagMarkets and you get the 24x on it, you have a 5% drawdown rule on that money. And those 5% we don't want to breach. That means we try our best to never ever breach the 5% drawdown. That means we don't want the account to go 5% in a loss. Okay. And with the settings we are using right here, this could never happen based on the backtest, as you can see right now. When we are finished right now, in a couple of seconds, I will show you a little bit of the backtesting report, and we will analyze it together so you can see with your own eyes how much profit we made, how much drawdown we got on this account. And some more seconds, then we are finished. Okay, that's it, guys. As you can see, the 4 month backtest is finished right now. We have 7.5% in profit. That means $7,500 in profit. And I will explain you a little bit of the backtesting report right now. So we are going over to the backtesting report where you can see the initial deposit is $100,000. The total net profit is $7,500, so 7.5%, with a absolute balance drawdown of $130. This is like a drawdown of 0.1%. But the maximal balance drawdown is 2.8%. That means not one time the account went over 2.8% drawdown, as you can see. And our rule is 5% absolute drawdown. So we weren't even close to that 5% drawdown rule. Do you understand? So as you can see on these results, the drawdown got totally worked out for this account. In 4 months, we made $7,500, and I will give you a little explanation now to that results. Also, this is the same backtesting result as you can see. Here you can see the balance graph where the account was starting from 100,000 to $107,500, so 7.5% in 4 months. And also you can see the drawdown right here again. And right now I will explain you a little bit of these results. And as you can see, we started with $100,000 and achieved a profit of $7,500 in 4 months. This was done under the conditions of the TagMarkets 24x amplifier account, which enforces a strict maximum drawdown limit of 5%. And those 5%, as you can see right here, didn't even get close to it. So we weren't even close to that 5%. So we could actually double the lot size and still not breach the 5%. You understand? By the way, this was done for the 24x amplify accounts where we have 5% drawdown rules. But there's also the 12x amplify accounts where you have 10% drawdown rules. And for the 12x amplify accounts, we are using the double of this lot size. That would mean not 7.5%, that would mean 15% profit in 4 months instead of the 7.5, because on the 12x amplifier accounts, we have a 10% drawdown rule where we can increase the lot size. You understand? So this is a little summary right now of the backtesting results. The profit in 2 months, $7,500. The account was growing from 100,000 to 107.5. As you can see right here, absolute balance drawdown 0.1% and the maximum drawdown 2.8%. This makes the strategy perfectly suited for prop firm or funded accounts where we have strict drawdown risk limits. Also, the TagMarkets 24x and 12x accounts, while still delivering, of course, steady returns with extremely low risk that you can also see right here. And now a little example with a $1,000 deposit based on the backtesting results right now. As always, those results are not guaranteed for the future. It's always based on a past performance. So that's what we are talking right now. No guaranteed results for the future. Okay. So if you deposit, let's say $1,000 into a TagMarkets 24x amplifier account, your effective trading capital increased to over $24,000 thanks to the 24x multiplier. That means your starting capital is $1,000, but you will have $24,000 on your account because of that 24x multiplier. After 2 months now, if we calculate after this back test right now, we will have on this $24,000 account after 4 months, $25,800. That means a profit in, sorry, it says 2 months, but it's 4 months. The profit in 4 months would be $1,800. That means you would have your deposit times 3 almost. That means you would have more than doubled your deposit, your initial deposit from $1,000 to $3,800. Your absolute balance drawdown is still 0.1% and your maximum drawdown is at 2.8%. Also, you can see that right here on the backtesting report. And even with a smaller deposit than $1,000, the bot remains extremely low risk while still delivering positive returns, always staying well below the 5% drawdown limit. And these are not just theoretical backtests. I will show you right now the track records for my bot where you can see how the bot is actually performing on real money live accounts. But before that, you can see on the backtesting report the trades. Also, you can see right here how the account was perfectly growing. 1 second. Okay. Here you can see how the account in this line right here, how the account was perfectly growing from 100,000 to 107.8 in just 4 months with a little bit drawdown of 2.8%. So as you can see, this is the final result. And as you can see in this line, the account was constantly growing up from 100K to 107.5K. And in my opinion, in trading, this is the most important thing: consistency and risk management. And if you check the results of these backtesting results, so for the consistency rule, this looks like good consistency rule, right? As you can see right here, the account is always constantly growing up into the profit. And to the risk management, the second most important thing, in my opinion, you can check the drawdown results right here, where we have maximal drawdown of 2.8% and absolute drawdown of 0.1%. So that was everything to the backtesting results. Now we hop over to the live account results, to the track records, where we can see how the account is actually how the strategy is performing on a real money live account. So first of all, as you can see, this is my FX book account. CryptoRausch is my name. Also, you can see it right here that it's my account, CryptoRausch. And we have chosen right now the AI lot gold strategy. Okay. On this account, I deposited $2,000 and we have a profit of $1,900 already, almost in 5 weeks. So that means 94% in 5 weeks on that $2,000 account. This was not done under the 24x amplifier account settings, because on this account I don't have drawdown rules because I don't have a 24x on it. But if we take this settings for the 24x account, we divide it for like 5 or 6. So we have the right settings for a 24x amplifier account. And if you divide now 94% with like 6, so we would have a secure risk settings, then we would still have, let me calculate, 15% in profit in just 5 weeks with 24x amplifier account settings. Okay. And now we come to the drawdown, because in the last call, some of you were in it. You saw that we were here in this phase, in a little bit drawdown phase. But what happened after this drawdown phase? As you can see right now, we are totally went up in profit again, from 76% to 94% in profit in just 5 to 6 days. And the total consistency graph right here, as you can see, went up from 0% profit to now 94.7% in profit in just 5.5 weeks on this $2,000 account. And you can also see what the bot made today, 2.8%. This week, 7.1% in profit this month, so the start of August, 10% in profit. And the total performance in 5.5 weeks is at 94% in profit with no drawdown rules on that account. But if we calculate now with 24x amplify settings, this would be like 15% in profit in 5.5 months. Okay. And yes, I think that would be almost everything. I would just give you a little mirror right now from the backtesting report, where you can see the difference between the backtesting report graph and the real money live account graph. Let me quick go back to the backtesting report, where you can see again how the account was always growing up constantly. This is the most important thing, constantly up into the profit, with always, you can see, little drawdown phases where the account is struggling with little losing trades. But what comes after those drawdown phases is always more profits than before. As you can see, little drawdown phase went up into profit. Drawdown phase, drawdown phase, drawdown phase. What happened here? We went only more up into the profit. Again, drawdown phase, more profits. Drawdown phase, more profits. So what you can expect after, so like maybe there will come 2 or 3 losing days in a row, but you can expect always from the strategy that it will move the account out of the drawdown into the profits, just as you can see on those backtesting and live account results. And a good mirror of the backtesting result is our track record, where you can see also those drawdown phases, where you can see, for example, now, as you can see right here, 23% in profit. Then the little drawdown came to 21%. What happened after that? We went even more up in profit to 39%. Then again, we had like 2 losing days. We went down from 39% to 27%. What happened after that? We went up to totally 89%. The next drawdown phase, 89% to 76% in profit. People were again really angry because 1 or 2 losing days. But what happened after this? As you can see, from 76% to 94%. And this is exactly what you can see right here. It's constantly a constant profitable strategy with proper risk management. And this is the most important thing in trading. And I think that would be everything from my side. Now we could answer the questions in the chat. 1 second. I will answer some questions now. Can you share the MyFX book link? Yes, of course. 1 second. The MyFX book link you can get from Christian, guys. You can just message him and he will send it to you. What are the average profit if deposited $300 and amplify? Let me explain to you, Bhavesh. 1 second. I calculated for you. You said $300. $300, right? Times 24x, because the amplify is $70,200 on your account. If we backtest this right here, you can calculate, by the way, yourself. If you calculate like 7.5% profit in 4 months times $7,200, I will give it to you. 1 second. This would be on a $300 deposit, like $500 to $600 profit based on the backtesting results in 4 months. Okay. What's the difference between AI lot code and LotBot? It's the same bot, it's just a different name. And also I have new settings in it, like the trailing stop, like I explained to you guys. And also that we only trade 4 trades a day. So in the times from 10 a.m. German time to 17 p.m. German time. How this Fibonacci is beneficial to get maximum graphical explain will make us clear understanding. I can show you 1 second. The entries. A little bit, I cannot exactly explain you how the bot is setting those entries, because this is my my personal secret, like I said. But we set the entries on Fibonacci levels. That means the bot searches on specific Fibonacci levels where it should put his entries for the perfect breakout areas. Okay, and as you can see on those results, those breakout areas are most likely bringing our account into the profit when the gold chart is breaking out. Okay, based on Fibonacci levels, the bot is setting breakout entries, and when the gold chart is breaking out, this is really, really good for us, especially when the gold chart is moving hardly in one direction. So if it's pumping in a nice uptrend, or if it's dumping in a nice downtrend, this is really, really good for us. And this happens like 2 or 3 times a week, most of the time. Okay. Good to introduce trailing profit and trailing stop loss. Exactly. Some more questions, guys? Should we go for 12x to get more profits or 24x? Askan, so basically on the 12x, you have 10% drawdown rule, but you have little capital. That means you have your deposited initial capital times 12. But on this account, we use the double of the lot size. That means you would have the double in profits than the 24x account, because on the 24x, we use a lower lot size, because there we have a 5% drawdown rule. You have more capital on the 24x account, but we use lower lot size because you have only 5% drawdown rule. So if you would want to increase your profits, use the 12x account where you have 10% drawdown rule. Okay. We have LotBot and now AI Lot Gold. What's the key difference between those two? It's the same bot. LotBot and AI Lot Gold is the same bot. It's just a new name for it. Like I said, on the AI Lot Gold, I just added the trailing stop, as you can see right here, and the 4 trades a day. with those specific times from 10 a.m. German time to 17 p.m. German time. The max drawdown is already set up with a 12x amplifier account, or do we have to set it up by ourselves on that social tag page? No, it's automatically on your account. So that means when you amplify your deposited money, for example, you deposit $1,000 on TagMarkets, you amplify it times 12, you have a $12,000 account. On this $12,000 account, you are not able to lose more than 10%. If you lose more than 10%, your account is gone. But because our bot is using proper risk management, this will not happen based on the backtest and based on our track record results, where you can see how the bot made to 94% on this account. And also all our other accounts. Christian also showed you his account where he withdrew like already 11,000, I guess. Exactly. Do lot sizes change with the equity change like 12x and 24x? Yes, when your account grows, your lot size will also change a little bit. But if you use a low lot size like 0.01, there will not change much. Okay. But soon, when the new MUM portal will come from TagMarkets, you will be able to set your own lot size. Okay, so you will not get the recommended lot size like now. When the new MUM portal comes out in, I think it's end of August, then you will be able to choose your own lot size. Okay. Is the AI lot gold same as IX gold? Yes, it's the same. Just a new name, and we have, like I explained, the trailing stop now, where we can scale up our trades, and we set only 4 trades a day from 10 a.m. to 17 p.m. German time. 12x will give more profits instead of 24x and more sustainable 12x. Exactly, because we can use higher lot size on 12x with more drawdown, because we have 10% drawdown on 12x and 5% drawdown on 24x. If I deposited 200 today, do I qualify for 24x? I think the minimum capital for the AI lot gold is $300 deposit. Do the results consider the 35% profit share? No, the 35% profit share comes onto that. If people are already on IX Gold, do they need to change to the new name, or it doesn't matter? It's the same. It's the same, but you don't have to change, I guess. For that, better ask Christian again, but I think you will not have to change to the new one because you are already connected to the IX Gold or the AI lot gold. It's the same. What happens if the drawdown gets hit? You will lose your account when you hit the drawdown. For example, if you trade yourself, most traders get emotionally to their trades and lose much with their trades because they are getting moved by their emotions, and this will end up in not constantly profitability. This will end up in blowing your account. That means when you trade yourself, for example, and get a lot of losses and breach the 5% on the 24x or the 10% on the 12x account, you will lose your account. So you will lose the money you deposited. But if you go now after our AI lot gold bot strategy, you can see right here that the balanced drawdown maximal is at 2.87% based on the backtest. And in this case, it would be not possible to lose your account because of that. You understand? When I am yet using the lot bot, I don't have to do nothing. Or no, you don't have to do nothing, guys, because you are already connected to the IX Gold or AI lot gold. Does 12x automatically makes 2x bigger lot sizes, or we have to set up multiplier 2? I guess you have to set up the multiplier 2. 12x account, probability of win percentage in 12x. The probability of win percentage in 12x and 24x is totally the same because it's the same strategy. The only difference between those two is that you have different drawdown rules. On the 12x, you have 10% drawdown, and on the 24x, you have 5% drawdown. And this is the only difference between those two. So you can win more on the 12x and win less on the 24x. Are there plans to create a bot that uses artificial intelligence? Thank you. My bot right now is actually using AI in it. Because those Fibonacci levels are not the only thing to set those entries. We have a little AI built into those Fibonacci system that helps setting and searching for those Fibonacci breakout entries. So AI is actually a little part of our system. And that's also actually why our bot is or strategy is so profitable. Our choice of a lot size may put us trouble, so we should go for safe trade with IX Gold AI. Exactly, Krishna Kumar. If you get greedy and put a too high lot size on your account to use our bot, this will maybe end up in losing your account because you are greedy, you want to win more, and this could end up in breaching the drawdown rule. That means I recommend personally if you just use our recommended lot sizes. So if we use, for example, 0.1 lot, use the same because this is what we recommend to have the best risk possibility on your account. But if you set the lot size yourself, there will be most likely emotion in the lot size and you will put greed in the lot size. And this will end up most likely in losing your account because you get greedy, you want to win more, and you put a too high lot size that could end up in breaching the drawdown limit. Okay. Lot Goldboard, is there a link to start? Christian will tell you again, guys, to that question. Can we trade manually over bot trade? Yes, of course you can do that. But what I would recommend to you is if you trade manually next to the bot, do it on another account, because if you trade manually and the bot trades at the same time, you could duplicate your drawdown. That means if we have right now in this example 3% drawdown, or better say 2.8, and you have also with your strategy 3% drawdown, you have 6% drawdown, and that could also end up in losing your account. So if you want to trade manually, better get another account next to the bot, so you have two accounts. On one account you trade manually, and on one account you trade with our bot. You're great, Aaron. Thank you, Wolfgang. Are you saying the bot is set up to not reach the maximum drawdown, or are your numbers showing that it just hasn't happened to date? Look, if you go based on the backtest, we cannot breach the drawdown because this backtest is based on 4 months and we have only 2.8% maximum drawdown. This is not even close to breach those 5%. Okay. On our track record, we have 13% drawdown, but this is not a 24x account. This is a normal account where I don't have drawdown rules because of that, I use a higher lot size on this account and cannot breach any drawdown. But on TagMarkets, we use just a partial of this lot size. That means we don't have 94% in 5 weeks on TagMarkets with these settings. With TagMarkets 24x amplify settings, we have just like a 6th time of this 94%. That means we would have like 15% profit in just 5 weeks with TagMarkets 24x settings, where we have still like 2 or 3% drawdown. Okay. And
hello guys. Just to clarify one thing really quick. Sorry, Aaron.
yes.
Very important for everyone here. You don't need to set your lot sizes yourself. Everything is being fully automated by the social trading platform. And as well, a quick warning, please don't change the risk multipliers or be informed that the risk doubles, triples, or 4 times whatever you put in. So please be careful with that. The 24x accounts have double the lot sizes of the 12x accounts when you would put in the same amount of real money. Just for everyone to know. Okay, very important. Sorry.
Exactly, Nick. The next questions. I don't know how to trade. Confirm that the company can trade for me. Joyce, you don't have to trade yourself because our strategy, my bot, is fully automatically setting trades, setting stop losses, take profits. So it's fully automatically managing your capital, managing your account. So you don't have to learn to trade yourself. You don't have to trade yourself. You don't have to do anything. Just deposit on TagMarkets, connect yourself, connect your account to the bot, and the strategy will automatically grow your account based on the backtest, just like you can see it on the backtest and also on the track records. We hope that trailing profit will give more profits in AI lot gold. Of course, because right now we have our take profit always at 1,300 points. But right now what's happening is that after 1,300 points, we don't get a take profit. A trading stop will open instead and trail our positions and scale our positions into more profit. That means we will not most likely end up with 1,300 points. Instead, we will end up with more profits because the trailing stop will scale the profit even more, even higher. You understand? But 12x, you have less amplified money, so I understand at the end is this more or less the same. Exactly, but on the 12x, you have 10% drawdown. On the 24x, you have 5% drawdown. That's the difference. My speaking language, I can only speak English and German, guys. New version of MT5 just came out with 30 new functions. Actual AI functions, have you had any time to examine if they would be beneficial? No, because I only try to increase the profitability of my strategy because this strategy is already really profitable. For those who are already connected, you could see in the last 5 weeks how much profits you gained, and this will move on, in my opinion, to even more profits in the future. So I just try to make benefits of my strategy. Okay. Thank you so much. You are our pride, lots of dreams. Thank you. Do you know the maximum drawdown in the last months using a Tag 12x multiplier account? On a 24x, the maximum drawdown is 2.8%. On a 12x account, the maximum drawdown is the double of that. So that means a little bit of less than 6% is the drawdown on 12x accounts. Great strategy. Thank you for your transparency. You're welcome. What is your long-term plan for the company? My long-term plan for the company is just to deliver you guys my profitable trading bot strategy, the AI lot gold. I will try my best to increase it to even more profitability. But right now we are at a point where it's so profitable that we cannot increase anymore. But the next time will show that it's even more profitable than the last time. Okay, so you will see, guys, just connect your accounts to my bot, to my strategy, and in my opinion, you will enjoy the profits in the upcoming time. And I think that were the last questions. Some more were very nice ideas shared. Hope you for the best results with trading strategy. Of course, gerne Jen. A new spot will work. Yes, Imran, this one more important thing. Most traders try to avoid news like CPI, FOMC, PPI, and some more news like high volatility, high impact news. But for our strategy, for our bot, news are really important because we love volatility, we love volume. That means when we have high volume phases, like the London opening, like the New York opening, or specific high impact news, this is most likely really good for us, because when the market is going sideways in our starting time and then come out the news like CPI or NFP, we will break out in the news candle and open most likely the trade into the news candle, where we always get trailed even more into profit because of the trailing stop. And this is the thing why news are for our strategy really important, and also really good for the future. If we have high volatility, this is the best for our strategy. Okay. On my social trading page, is it still IX Gold with the name be changed automatically? It's the same IX Gold as the AI Lot Gold. It's the same bot. It's the same strategy. I think you can just stay connected. I think Christian or Nick will change the name of it to AI Lot Gold in the upcoming days. Okay. Can we use the profits on your platform to shift this by buying crypto on your system and exchange this?
No.
No. Okay. Do you have a trading mentor, or how did you eventually develop your strategy? I developed and mentored myself. I'm trading since 9 years now. And first I was unprofitable for like 2 years, but 7 years before, I developed this strategy and was trading it above the last years. And at some point, I didn't want to sit in front of my computer anymore. So I developed this strategy into a trading bot. So the strategy is working fully automatically. So because I don't like myself to sit in front of the computer the whole day, that's why I developed this strategy into a trading bot, so that the strategy is working fully automatically on my trading accounts and also now on your trading accounts, right? So I think there are not more questions. That would be everything from me. If you have any more questions, guys, write it now. If not, that was it. All right.
Recording
Nick,
stopped.
I think that was everything.
Super. Aaron, wow, many thanks. This was amazing. Good to hear you. Good to have this amazing input from now. Wow, 9 years trading. This is actually really good. I am really surprised again of all the information what you gave us tonight. Thanks a lot. Thanks to everybody to attending. I know there were some questions. I think Mr. Nick already answered some of them. You don't need to change. You don't need to manually adjust things. You don't need to sit in the opening hours of the whatever, New York, London, or Asia on the computer. You don't need to do this. You only need to connect. You only need to do, look, it's easy, it's simple, it's TagMarkets, okay? You only need to open an account, make your KYC, deposit your money on your account, connect to a trading strategy. Now we hear the amazing AI Lot Gold, connect it to him, and then let the strategy work for you. That's actually all. The profit you can take out whenever you want, okay? Everybody need to know, on the amplified account inside TagMarkets, the first 30 days, you cannot withdraw your capital, but yes, you can withdraw daily, starting of $10. Okay, it was before $50. Very good news for all. Now, starting of $10, you can withdraw daily your profits to your external private wallet, wherever you have it. And this makes us all really happy. And I am quite sure, look, ladies and gentlemen, many of you and many of experienced people here in this room did never saw real traders, as in this case Mr. Aaron here, showing the face, giving the information, showing how they are doing, where you can see every single day the live trades in your MetaTrader 5. It's not difficult. I also had no idea 2 months ago. Now they showed me one time how to download the MetaTrader, put in the account number and the password of your back office from TagMarkets, and you can see all the trades in real time, when they go in, when they go out. You have the total track record of all is transparent, all is real, and all is thanks to the amazing performance of this strategy of Mr. Aaron, and thanks, of course, to our partner, to our amazing broker, TagMarkets. And now it's our job, especially my job, especially your job. If I am happy, if I have results, I will show it to my friends and help them to have similar benefits every day, every week, and every month with a working strategy and the amazing, fast broker. What we have, a strong partner behind us in order to can really have an amazing future. I always tell to the people, maybe don't look every day in the trades. You know, it's a little bit addictive. The people are saying, oh, now it's a trade open. Now look, it's going up. Oh, no, it's going down. No, it's going down. Oh, it's going up again. You know, they are a little bit emotional, exactly as Aaron, as you said. I did this on the beginning, but then I calmed a little bit down. I learned a little bit. The trading can be one day not so good, the next day good, the next day not good, the next day good. But on the end of the month, we saw the real results, all track recorded, all in the MyFX book. And I'm very happy that we have something what we can share to others, because we personally had the experience that it works. We have high quality people here to show us how it works. We will have more and more trainings in the next couple of weeks, months. And here is the secret, especially in the next couple of years, because we are starting now a marathon. We are not a 100-meter run, okay, and let's go fast to the goal and then ciao. No, we are really here to run together with the broker. A marathon, we want to go far. We want to go far as a team, and this is very important to bring this amazing opportunity to any corner in this world. Thank you very much. If somebody of the speakers, Mr. Nick or Mr. Aaron, want to say something, the microphone is open for you. I want to say thanks again to everybody. Have an amazing rest of the day. And we will start with planned 2 meetings, trainings, and opportunity presentations very soon again. Okay, thank you very much.
So guys, my last words would be, I would be happy to see you, every one of you guys, to be connected to my bot, so you can feel yourself what it feels, how to be profitable in trading, because of many traders that especially trade for a couple of years, they are still not profitable after a couple of years because their strategy is bad. They are emotionally, and this emotional will make their trading not profitable. So the most traders have the dream to get rich with trading, but this is so hard to get there because, like I said, the strategies are bad. You get liquidated, your emotions come into the game, and this is a really, really good opportunity for traders and also not for non-traders that have no clue about trading to get really profitable in the future. So because the only thing you have to do is deposit on TagMarkets, connect to my bot, and enjoy the profits. It's a pleasure for me, guys, to have you showing this strategy and showing those infos and results. And I hope I can see you connected to my bot. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Have a good evening, everybody.